In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a Notion template on Etsy. We'll walk through the full process from building your template in Notion to publishing your product on Etsy and making sure the customer experience works smoothly. The goal here is to create something useful that solves a specific problem. Present it clearly and deliver it in a simple way that buyers can access immediately. Start by creating a Notion template that solves one specific problem. This is important because the more focused your template is, the easier it is for customers to understand its value. Think in terms of a clear outcome, like helping someone organize tasks, plan content, manage a budget, or track goals. As you build the template, make sure it's clean, easy to navigate, and ready for someone else to duplicate and use without confusion. Once your template is finished, open the sharing settings in Notion and turn on Share to Web. This makes the page accessible through a public link, which is necessary for delivery. After that, enable the option called Duplicate as Template. This is what allows customers to open your Notion page and copy it directly into their own workspace. Without this setting, they may be able to view the page but not actually use it as intended. Next, copy the template link. This is the link you'll give to customers, so double check that it opens correctly and that the duplicate option is working. It's a good idea to test it in a private browser window to make sure it behaves the way a buyer would expect. Now move over to Etsy and create a digital product listing. When setting up the listing, write a clear and searchable title that explains exactly what the template is and who it's for. In the description, explain what problem it solves, what's included, and how the buyer will use it. Add screenshots that show the template clearly, since visuals make a big difference in helping people understand what they're purchasing. You should also include relevant keywords so your listing has a better chance of being discovered in search. For delivery, upload a PDF or file that contains the Notion template link. This file acts as the product the customer downloads after purchase. Keep it simple and easy to follow so the buyer knows exactly where to click. Finally, publish the listing and test the customer download process. Make sure the file downloads properly, the link opens, and the Notion template can be duplicated without issues. This final check helps you catch any friction before real customers do, and it gives you confidence that your digital product is ready to sell.